is that? Inside the eye of the tornado.
It seems like there is a strong thunderstorm going on outside.
Yeah, I'm assuming there is going to be a rain happening outside soon. Oh no, looks like there is a tornado going on in our area. We need to go to the basement right now to save ourselves in case if the tornado hits our house.
Attention! This is an emergency alert system message. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for your area. At this time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado identified as Canado has been detected moving rapidly through the region. This tornado is capable of causing catastrophic damage to buildings, vehicles, and infrastructure. All residents are advised to take immediate shelter. Seek shelter in a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and protect yourself from flying debris. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, seek the nearest safe shelter immediately.
Oh my God, this tornado has a face. Help you, sir.
I think I came at the wrong time. Oh my God, it's a huge tornado. I am going to travel to a different time. I'm going to leave this current timeline.